now in Calicut with the most wonderful and beautiful family here, brothers and sisters here.
ഈ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട് ഏകദേശം ഐഡിയ. അഡ്മിറ്റ് ആയി കിടന്ന എന്റെ മമ്മീനെ ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിൽ ഡിസ്ചാർജ് ചെയ്ത് ഞാൻ തിരിച്ച് വീട്ടിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവന്നു. കൊണ്ടുവന്ന് ഞാൻ മമ്മീനോട് പറഞ്ഞു, തരത്തിലില്ലാതെ രക്ഷപ്പെട്ട ആളുകൾ ഒരു സംഭവം നമ്മുടെ കൈ കിട്ടി. എന്റെ കൂടെ നിൽക്കുമോ? ഞാൻ എന്റെ മമ്മീനെ കഴിഞ്ഞ ആഗസ്റ്റ് 15 എനിക്കോടെ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുന്നേ എനിക്കോട് പറഞ്ഞു എല്ലാ ടെസ്റ്റുകളും റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. എല്ലാ ടെസ്റ്റുകളും റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കൊണ്ടേ പോകും. അവിടെ എനിക്ക് റിസൾട്ടാണ് എന്റെ മൊബൈൽ ക്യാൻസർ ഇല്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് ഇത് ദിവാ സീക്രട്ട് അല്ല, ഡിവൈൻ സീക്രട്ട് ആണ്.
തുടങ്ങി എനിക്ക് റുമറ്റോയിഡ് ആർത്രൈറ്റിസ് നേരത്തെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. 2012 ഡയഗ്നോസ് ചെയ്തത്. ആ സമയം തുടങ്ങി ഏതാണ്ട് ഒരു 4 weeks ബിഫോർ വരെ ഞാൻ ആർത്രൈറ്റിസിന്റെ മെഡിസിൻ കഴിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. തന്നെയല്ല, എനിക്കൊരു കുറച്ച് കൂടുതൽ കുക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ഒരു ഓപ്ഷൻ നടക്കുകയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് കൂടുതൽ കുക്കിങ്ങും ട്രാവലിംഗും ഒക്കെ ആവശ്യമുള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് അതിന്റെ കൂടെ ഞാൻ പെയിൻ കില്ലേഴ്സും കണ്ടമാനം കഴിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്താണ് എൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് സുധീഷ് ഇങ്ങനെ കഴിക്കണം, ഇത് കഴിച്ചു നോക്ക് അങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പൊ 14 sachets ഒരു ഏതാണ്ട് 2 weeks ഉപയോഗിച്ച് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടുള്ളൂ. പക്ഷെ എനിക്ക് പെയിന് നല്ല പോലെ കുറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Go. Hi. Yes.
This is Shakthivel from Shakthivel from Chennai. One of my friends have been back to given one bucket. It's from Diva Secret.
Yes.
So we thought it's going to be an ordinary product. We started using. After using a few days, I started feeling my body, whole body.
Okay.
So feel something different. I thought, so I want to give my parents.
Okay.
My father was 80+ age.
Okay.
My mother 80+.
Okay.
See, my mother almost right of bed.
Wow. Wow.
He'll talk only, hello, hi, like that only. He never talk extra words.
Okay.
Due to the age factor.
Okay.
And the memory loss. Like
Okay. Sure. Sure.
This is what happening few months. Okay.
Yes.
So after this, taking my whole body changing. I
Yeah.
even sample of my dad.
Okay.
My dad taking a big time.
Yes.
Big time. In a big time, there's a miracle happening with my mother.
Okay.
What happened? Normally I used to call my mother.
Yes.
My mother would come. Few years my dad after this Diva secret.
Okay.
Secret interest.
Okay.
He consumed a weekend.
Okay.
Just 1 weekend.
Yes.
My dad, Shakthivel, tell me, where are you? How is your business? Had your lunch? Where is your daughter? Daughter got a seat. Where is your 𝐏𝐚𝐥𝐸, my son? He's talking with the data. The memory power replayed. Health also changed.
Yes.
That time, in my home, my phone or mobile, I put a loudspeaker.
Yes.
All my whole family is just watching.
Why?
Okay. Everyone thrilling. What is happening? Granddad. Wow, grand, something. He started 15 minutes. Whole family are happy now. I strongly recommend Diva Secret International to those are family who are old. It is helpful for memory power. It's old health. Really, really, it's a miracle product.
Yes.
Thanks Diva Secret once again. Thank you, friends. Start using this stem cell technology.
Yes,
Help
yes.
your whole family and make a good days to your happiness in your family. Thank you. Diva.
Okay. Let me ask Madam question, and I didn't release you yet, Madam. Can you tell me your experience with the product as a lady? Just share in Tamil also or Malayalam also. You speak Malayalam?
Tamil.
Tamil. Okay. Parang. Yes. Yes.
Getting more energy.
Yes.
Unlike like chronic illness.
Okay.
In this product,
Mm.
in this business,
Mm.
not only health,
Mm.
wealth,
Yes.
and blessings.
Yes. Yes.
All things goes to the secret.
That's right. Yeah. But tell me, because you bought the product first that you bought it, you didn't bought in the intention to do business.
Yeah, I never.
How come automatically you become a team leader and you are seriously into business? What trigger you? What push you to do that?
Friends friends I'm truly talking about. I go to multiple business. I'm handling 150 people working with me.
Okay.
I have an employee.
Yes, sir.
Last 2 decades, almost 25 years.
Okay, sir.
I'm into basically water treatment.
Okay.
Water treatment, heaven bath, with Victor. So handling so many business, so many employees. Always I used to be stressed. But all of this is happening. Money is coming.
Mhm.
But the way to home, I'm not able to sleep properly. Once I see changes my dad after 80 years, it's a miracle change.
Yes.
Now, thank God I have everything. I have car, I have family, wife, everything. But the happiness now starting. So now I want to be the society return back.
Yes.
I want to return back to the society.
Yes.
I cannot do anything more this. Okay, I want to go back to society to help. Is the help of Diva.
Okay.
This is my intention to start business again.
Oh.
Because I'm not doing for money purpose. I'm doing for a health purpose. I'm doing this. I want
Guys,
to help my
yeah.
society.
See, you guys outside, you hear, brother, he say money is not a problem. Okay. Some of you say you have a lot of money, you are stingy. We tell you that one box. People say the 2,000 is 2,500 is very expensive. What can you tell them?
My dear friend, whatever bangla.
Yeah, yes, yes, sir.
Okay, there's no value for this.
Yes.
If you go to any hospital,
Yeah.
any treatment,
Yes.
they pay for that minimal lakh is to 30 to 40 lakh.
Yes.
If you, for example, if you are on a prime fever, okay, prime fever normally,
Mm-hmm.
you should get an appointment minimum 6 months before.
Mm-hmm.
For that, you should pay 20 lakh.
Yes.
With the help of just 2,500, it's not going to big deal.
Yes.
Each and everyone, they will get a benefit with the help of 2,500.
Okay.
So I thought people cannot spend more money, but they can spend the money of 2,500.
Mhm.
They can change. They can see the huge difference in their body.
Okay.
That's the main motto I started with.
Okay. Thank you so much, and I am very moved. How many people are under you now? Because as I'm hearing,
1 month I started actually.
very short period.
Yeah, very short. Right now, almost 30 to 40 people under my name.
Okay.
I never go outside. Only my friends I given 30 people. 30 people are free.
Okay.
30 people are there.
Okay. That's great. Thank you so much for your precious time. We hope that you will be on the top. Already you are in the diamond position. And very soon you cross to become ambassador, because for you to become ambassador is not a big deal, because these people under you can take the business to next level, not only Tamil Nadu, Kerala and other part of India and outside. So we wish you all the best. We give all thanks to Diva Secret Stem Cell. Let this product reach many people, because we are not dealing with medicine, but we are dealing with nutritive. So everything that our body needs, the nutrients, so that the cell will function. But most people give food, all kebab and all type of food, and chicken biryani, porota, aloo porota. Okay, they are good for the taste, but does that have nutrients? These are nutritive, so you're going to touch many lives. So we appreciate. Thank you so much. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.